Let me take a moment to tell you about Kendall Hunt Publishing. For over 4 years, I wanted to create a textbook for my courses that better met the needs of my students. I wanted to publish the book, but I didn't even know where to start. 2 years ago, I was introduced to Curtis Ross and his team, and after a short call, I knew that I had an opportunity to finally fulfill my dream. So over the next year, I assembled a team of 2 fellow professors, and we talked through our ideas and finally put a plan into place. Less than a year ago, I contacted Curtis with a concrete timeline, and Curtis began to assemble a team around us. Our go-to contact was Beth Trowbridge. Beth gave us every tool we needed to complete the manuscript, including graphics and a book cover design and a step-by-step guide to finalizing the process. I couldn't be happier with my experience with Kendall Hunt. They were encouraging, they were equipping, and most importantly, their expertise shined throughout the process.